What's up guys, David Moss Jr. here, and in this video we're going to talk about the Desert Plunge Wide and who is this cold plunge actually for. So this is a new series called Who's It For, where I literally just share my experience of all of these wonderful products that I get the opportunity to review and answer the most frequently asked questions in one solid fell swoop. So there's not going to be a ton of edits on this video. If you're looking for retention editing, this is not that video. But if you're looking at the Desert Plunge Wide and you want to know if it's a cold plunge for you, stick around. I think this one will answer a lot of your questions. So who's it for? Well, one, it's for people who are getting into cold plunging, looking for something that they can't screw up, that they can count on, and it's affordable. So currently this is listed right around $3,000. If you use the link in the video description and my discount code, it saves you money. It's kind of awesome. Like, I am so blessed and so grateful that I get to review all these products, and I have no problem sharing. If you follow me on Instagram, I share this stuff all the time, but like, last month, 30 people bought a Desert Plunge and used my discount code. Like, 30 people are now changing the course of their health, not just for them, but more than likely their home, their spouse, their children, their communities, their friends. It's one of the coolest things. When someone gets a cold plunge, it's like everyone shows up and uses it. Everybody does it. It's almost like having a friend that has a boat, except they're a lot cheaper. You don't have to break out another $1,000. So it just makes me so happy that people are actually like still taking their health in their hands and doing something about it. So it's a very affordable cold plunge. If you're looking at all the other options out there, there's cold plunges that are over $10,000, $15,000, and it's the same thing. It's just cold water. At the end of the day, it's just cold water. So how you package it is a different thing. Some people like expensive, flashy frills, which is awesome. Some people just want it to accomplish the goal. It's like, you know, hate to keep beating a dead horse on this, but it's like people who buy a Rolex, very expensive watch, all it basically does is keep time. And then people who buy just a Timex, very cheap watch, also just tells time. So that's kind of like a dumb example of it, but yeah, it's a done for you cold plunge. So you see there's a chiller right there. That is what cools the water down so you don't have to use ice. So when you buy a Desert Plunge, you get everything you need to have continuous cold water. So the chiller chills the water down to 39 degrees. There's a pump on the backside with a large filter. Cleans the water, keeps the water moving. Moving water stays clean. There's also ozone as an option, so that keeps the water extremely sanitary and clean. The lid seals the entire top. So that's one thing, if you've ever been to a friend's house that has a cold plunge and they don't have a top that seals very tightly, you probably notice that bugs get in there. Sometimes fall out from trees. Things find their way into water. Having the sealed top, there's a gasket seal that goes around the entire rim, and then there's these three clasps that hold the lid super tight. The water in this cold plunge here stays cleaner than any other cold plunge that I have, and I can say that because if you follow me on Instagram, you probably see there's some cold plunges I get in where the water's kind of yellowish. I live on a well, so that's the color the water is when it comes out of my hose, even with a hose filter. But because this has such great filtration and ozone, the ozone somehow crystallizes my water. It turns it blue. It makes it beautiful. So that's a very nice feature. For the money, I don't think there's a lot out there that can really touch this for the money. It's one of my favorite cold plunges to recommend. Durable material, whereas a lot of the cold plunges in this price range are inflatables, which is cool. There's definitely a space for those, and I'll have videos on inflatables as well, answering who's it for and who's it not for. But it's durable. I set up all these cold plunges at my house by myself almost all the time. And I have like a little red wagon and myself, and I literally just drag these things when I can around my property. There's very few cold plunges that I can do that, and then there's quite a few cold plunges that I need somebody to come and help me. I have to have 2 to 4 people help me lift them up because they're either heavy or they're made out of a material that can't be dragged around on the floor. I've drugged this thing all over the place. The chiller detaches. It's very easy to move. You can move these things super simple. So if you're not in a permanent residence, phenomenal cold plunge for you. Gives you that premium feel, cold water, clean water. I think it looks cool. Let's talk about looks real quick, because I think you either like this or you don't like this. You either don't mind having the chiller and the components exposed, or you do. And that's totally fine. If you don't like the look of this, then there's a lot of other options. If you like the look of this, well, it doesn't just look cool, it functions great. So it makes me happy. It's a cold plunge I can rely on. I come out here if my power trips, or if I have a bunch of friends coming over to cold plunge and sauna, they can get in here and I don't have to feel like I have to be apologetic that the water's dirty or that it smells, because it just keeps the water nice and clean. I think that's one of my top favorite reasons to recommend the Desert Plunge, is it just keeps the water clean and it keeps the water cold. The chiller they're using, one of my favorite chillers, is actually the first chiller I ever used when I built a DIY back almost 4 years ago. Maybe it was 4 years ago now. Shoot, that's crazy. But tried and true. My original chiller still works. Like, these just work. It's not an all-in-one where the components inside can bust. It's a chiller that literally does one thing: chills the water. Very simple. All the components of this are very simple to replace. God forbid something happened, but I have not had to replace any, and I still have my original Desert Plunge that they don't even make anymore. And all of the components from that one still work too. So, reliable cold plunge, clean water, cold water, looks really cool, very durable and affordable. That's why it's one of the easiest cold plunges for me to recommend. Also, because this is the wide, you can tandem cold plunge in here. Me and my wife get in here, me and my kids get in here and do it together. My kids and their friends get in there and do it together. It's really cool. It's very wide, it's deep, and it's very easy to get fully submerged. If you're trying to submerge or do snorkeling where you're fully underwater with a snorkel above out of the water and you want to literally just hang out underwater, some people do that. They're crazy. I don't. If you want to, this is a cold plunge you can do that in very easily. You just sink on down and you get fully underwater. So yeah, who's it not for? It's probably not for people who really want that like super luxurious premium look. Like if you want the porcelain tub look or the stainless steel look, there's a lot of really luxurious premium looking cold plunge tubs now. They're very expensive, but hey, if that's the look you want and this doesn't accomplish the look, then that's not who it's for. But anybody else, if you're just new to cold plunging and you don't want to do a DIY, I call this the DFY. It's done for you. Literally, you order it, it comes, it ships really, really fast. I think 2 to 3 day shipping, shows up at your door, takes 15 minutes to hook this whole thing up, fill it up with water, plug it in, and it's on. Like there's no app you have to fiddle with. It's kind of interesting how like they've kept this so simple. And I think that's one of the beautiful things about Desert Plunge, is they keep it simple and it just freaking works. Where sometimes you add a lot you add a lot of features to a product, and then there's just more things that go wrong. So yeah, that's who the Desert Plunge is for and who the Desert Plunge isn't for. If you like this video, if you have a question that I didn't really go over, ask down in the comments below. I want to answer any question. Or if you have a comment, make a comment. If you like this video, or if you think this style of video where it's just me sitting here talking about a product is cool, give me a thumbs up. And if you need the full review, the reason I'm not showing a ton of B-roll or anything, like literally just one solid conversation through this whole thing, I'm even looking at myself on the screen here, kind of going old school, is I have full reviews of this product. Like the setup, that video already exists and I don't want to like recreate it. So I just want to tell you who this product is for. And then if you want to watch the full review so you know exactly what you're getting into, well, that's going to be linked at the end of this video. It'll pop up on screen. If you're watching from a television, you're going to have to get your remote out. I know like 50% of my viewers watch on TV, which is awesome, but I realize you can't visit the link in the video description like easily, and you can't even really like it. It's hard. It's hard to get engagement when you're watching from a TV, but thank you. I appreciate that. But just know YouTube rewards engagement. So like, if you watch this video, that's cool, but if you like it and comment and it's a positive, experience for you, YouTube rewards the video and shows it to one other person. So the less engagement, the less the video is able to get seen. So if you liked this video and you can find a way to engage with it, that'd be really cool. If not, no big deal. You probably didn't even see this part anyway. So I appreciate you guys for watching. Check out the review of this coming up next. It'll be popped up right here on the screen. I'll see you over there. Have a great day, my friends, and God bless.